Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to find saved passwords on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! First, you want to simply head into your settings. Now, this is literally the question if you're using the Samsung account or Google account. If you're using the Google account, then the passwords are probably found in Google Password Manager. I'm pretty sure Samsung also have something similar like this, but in this video I will focus on the Google aspect for this phone. So let's scroll almost all the way down and enter Google. Now let's switch from recommended to all services, and now you can actually see every single service. And we are looking for autofill and passwords and passkeys and devices right here. Now you will see that we actually have no passkeys on this device, which means that we are stupid and we clicked wrong thing. Because of course we want to go into autofill with Google, and with a single tab fill in passwords, addresses, credit cards and other info saved to Google account. We can go into continue, and now we can go into Google Password Manager, and after a moment we should see our passwords. Now as you can see, I only have one password here, and it's to the app called Asana, and if I would click on it I would see the password to it, but first I have to use the passwords to actually verify myself, and I don't want to leak any kind of my password, so let's maybe not do that. But technically the password manager should also be a standalone application, but not here. So of course we can get into it by simply following my instructions, and then you should see it right here. We can also go to settings and change few settings related to saving passwords, but generally speaking this is where you can find them. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!